Click on search bar and type here Task Manager. After that, click here to open it. Select Run as Administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select File, click on Run New Task, and from here click on Browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Open Run and type here PowerShell, then click on OK. After that, enter this command and hit enter. Select as. Now paste this command. You will get this command in the description below. Just copy and paste on PowerShell window, then hit enter to execute it. Once done, close this window. Again open Run and type task mgr and hit enter. This will open Task Manager window. Now just scroll down and search for Windows Explorer. Select Restart. Wait for some time. After that, again open Run and type here %local app data %. Now open tile data layer, then delete it and close this window. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.